explaining the 8 P's included tonight and my team, this is Danny, which are the product, place, price, promotion, people, packaging, positioning, and especially the process.
First, 8Ps is the product. This element of the marketing mix indicates a description of the product or service that you are selling. The second element of marketing mix is the place. It is the distribution strategy of your business. It should provide convenience to the customer to buy your product or service as they need it. Third marketing mix is the price. It is also a marketing decision that combines market research with financial analysis. It will allow you to earn a profit. The fourth one is the promotion. Promotion enables the entrepreneur to inform potential customers about the product's availability or to educate the customer about the product.
Unang kagad, chocolate agad. Approve.
The fifth one is the people. It is focuses on the role of human resources in propelling the growth of the business. The sixth one is the packaging. This element of the marketing mix considers the attributes of your product that may affect it as it grows through the distribution channels. You need to provide safe and suitable packaging materials. The second to the last 8 P's is positioning. This marketing concept gives consideration to how your product or service offering is positioned in the minds of your target customers. The last 8 P's is process, refers to the standard procedure or system involving internal marketing related activities and external marketing related activities in your business.
Hi guys!
Gagawa po kami ng brownies kasama si Art.
Hi guys!
So first, ilagay natin yung egg dito sa bowl.
At ito pa.
Second, ilagay natin yung oil sa bowl.
Kalahati lang. At
Tsaka,
i-mix.
at i-mix natin ang egg tsaka oil.
Ipakita sa ito. Ito po gumawa. Yan ng
Lagyan natin ng
tubig. Sarap-sarap.
Sunod, ilagay natin ang
Ito na po. At haluin
At haluin natin.
ng maigi para masarap. Yusin mo. Ano? Tanto po maghalo ng chicken curry.
Lagyan natin ng tubig kahit konti.
Susunod, lalagyan namin ng chocolate. Yan.
wala tayong oven, sa kawali tayo magluluto.
Tara na.
Arat na!
Let's go!
One eternity later.
Hi guys, ito na po yung finished product namin. Sarap. Approve. No. Unang agad, chocolate agad. Approve.
At sunod, ilagay natin ang brownies dito.
Sarap.
Sige, ikat na, ikat na!